Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sayukta and today's video of Clear Your Concept is on the topic coolant therapy and temporomandibular disorders. So let's get started. Coolant therapy is done by means of application of ice to the painful area for 5 to 10 minutes, 2 to 3 times a day, intercepted with periods of either hot fermentation or no other fermentation at all. Or it can be by use of fluoromethane spray 2 to 3 times in one shot, 3 times a day. Coolant therapy brings down pain in temporomandibular disorders by two mechanisms. One is by way of providing cutaneous stimulation that masks the painful stimulation carried by C fibers. The other mechanism is by increasing vasodilation to the area after the coolant therapy is stopped. When coolant therapy is done, it usually first produces a burning sensation to the patient, then a little pain in the area, and after that, a numbness in the area. Following numbness, when the ice pack is removed, there is an increase in blood supply in the area, which produces proper oxygenation of the area, removal of metabolites, and resultant pain relief. The next question is whether coolant therapy is a symptomatic treatment or a definitive treatment. The answer is both. It is a curative treatment, a definitive treatment in disorders like myospasms and myofascial trigger point pain. But it is a supportive therapy in all the other types of muscle disorders or intracapsular temporomandibular joint disorders. You all know that true myospasms are sudden contractions of muscles of mastication secondary to metabolic changes in the muscles or due to more dangerous central causes. Whenever there is a myospasm and if you apply a coolant therapy, then it helps in relaxation of the muscles. The coolant therapy is followed by passive stretching of the muscle that helps in relieving the myospasm. So in myospasms, it is a curative treatment. You can go ahead after using the coolant therapy and the stretch technique to find out the cause of myospasm and treat it definitively. Similarly, in myofascial trigger point pain, if you have trigger points that are limited number of fibers of a muscle that are in continuous contraction called as trigger points, if you use coolant therapy over trigger points and numb that area and stretch the muscle, it helps in diffusing the trigger points. So in trigger point pains also, coolant therapy can be treated as a curative treatment and not merely as a symptomatic treatment. However, in both myospasms and in myofascial trigger point pain, you have to get down to the cause of the problem and treat the problem as well, besides providing coolant therapy. In all the other temporomandibular disorders like protective co-contraction, local muscle soreness, chronic centrally mediated myalgia, or intracapsular disorders like vitrodicitis and etc., coolant therapy is merely a symptomatic treatment which acts by way of either changing the peripheral input to the central nervous system and masking the painful sensation, or by providing an increased blood flow following the coolant therapy. I hope this cleared your concept. This is me, Dr. Sayukta, signing out.